how to start up a gospel choir channel or a gospel song channel with AI for free. Hear this.
When the night feels heavy and the tears won't fade away, oh, I will lift my eyes to heaven. You're my hope.
So I'll be teaching you how to actually create music channels like this, or gospel channels, gospel song channels like this from scratch. A lot of you don't even know how to get this image. That's actually an image that was turned into a video, and I actually prompted for the lyrics myself. I'll teach you how to prompt for the lyrics, how to get the right lyrics, and how to get the right prompt to generate an image like that can actually sit well with your choir, your gospel, your colors, your church, how you want everything to look like. I'll be teaching you that from scratch for free, and you can actually do this with AI for free. Okay, so if you want to be earning on social media and you're too lazy to show your face on social media, this is one thing you want to be doing, either for YouTube, for TikTok, for Instagram, or any other YouTube channel, and it will be monetized with no copyright. Mind you, there's some AI tools, if you want to use them to an extent, you have to pay at least $5 or $10 per month to use them nicely. So let's go. Let me teach you how to do these gospel channels. Music, let's go. Okay, guys, the first thing you need to do is to go to ChatGPT, because there we need to get our music and then get our photo, okay, or get our gospel group. Now, once you get to ChatGPT, the first thing you need to do is to give me lyrics. So I'll actually ask ChatGPT to give me lyrics, okay? Give me lyrics of a short gospel. So let's put gospel song. Make it worship song. Make it a worship song, and let it fill the soul and be emotional. Okay. So why I am always putting this emotional, because you all know worship songs and gospel songs, worship, they have their own way. So make it feel the soul and emotional for everyone going through hard times. Going through hard times can be filled with the Spirit. Okay, so guys, I'm not a gospel person, so I'm just trying to put this out somehow. So yeah, that's it. Okay, now I'll say make it short. Please make it short. This is what I have, but I'll say make it short because I want it very short. Okay, so we have this. Now the next thing I will do is just to click on here to generate, and then we wait for it to give us this lyric. So you have the verse: when the night feels heavy and the tears won't fade away, I will lift my eyes to heaven. You are my hope, my song, my stay. This makes a lot of sense. This makes a whole lot of sense. So this is the song. First off, we have the song. Okay. Now, after getting this song, the next thing we need to do is I'll say, now here, okay, I'll say create me an image of gospel group of singers wearing black and white choir outfits with a lead singer. So we have to actually put that one, don't forget, with a lead singer in front holding a mic. Okay, while the rest of the group is behind. So I'm just trying to elaborate this because I want my photo to come out correctly. So if the singing is going on, there shouldn't be any interruption or any confusion. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Okay, do not forget to always add make image hyper realistic. Okay, now this your choir, you can actually choose your choir to be mixed race or just one kind of people, either black and white or white only white, or Asians, or depending on which format of choir you want to create, right? Depending on your content. I'll click here on generate, and then I'll wait for the image to be generated. The image is generating. We'll go and create the song so we don't waste a lot of time. So that's my image generating. I'll now go here and take the song, copy the song. So this is it, right? And copy. So that's just a short part of that song. That's just a short part of the song. The next tool that we are going to now is the Suno AI for us to create our song. Now we have two apps for song creating. You can use the Minimax. You can use the Minimax for creating your song, and you can use Suno for creating your song. So your choice. Now I'll be going to Suno. This is Suno Music. Click on Suno Music. I'm using it on my browser because I am not having it on my app. So this is Suno Music. What I'll do here is, if you have Suno Music, please register on it. That is it, Suno AI, Suno Music. Now you register on this Suno Music. When you're done doing your registration on Suno Music, you'll have this interface. You will not have this sounds here because I have been creating, but you'll just have an empty space like this, but this is the interface you get. Now, once you get this interface, you click down here where you see this orange music sign white with an orange circle around it. You click on it. Now, once you click on it, here it says song description. Okay, song description, you can click there. So they're asking you if it's R&B or whatever song that you want to create. So normally you put, first off, you put your lyrics plus audio plus. Which one do you have? Lyrics plus, you click on lyrics plus, then you put in your lyrics. So here I'll click and I'll put in my lyrics. Okay, paste your lyrics, paste. Now I don't want this song to be too long. For teaching purpose, I'll cut it short. I'll just reduce the song. Okay, so I have this now like that. Okay, style of music, which style you want your music to be, live, stage, whatever that you want your music to be. You have all these options here. These are different options. Okay, so you can just put gospel. Normally they did not mention gospel, but you can put gospel song. Okay, now optional, advanced option here. You can choose if you want a male or a female voice. Okay, when you choose, you see male, you see female. You can choose which of them that you want your sound, your person that is singing the song to be. These options were not here before. Suno just updated. So yeah, now you have where you can actually choose a female or a male voice on Suno. After you get to choose that, all you need to do is to click here on create, and you wait for your song to generate here. Okay, so right now our song is done on Suno AI. I'm done recording. Let's listen.
When the night feels heavy.
Okay, so you have two songs, this one and this one, right? They give you two versions. So when you're done, you just click on the one that you want to download. You click on top and you come down here. You can see download. Then you click on download. Click to download your song. Now, when you're done downloading your song, let's go and put it together in another app. Okay, so I'll go back still on the browser and I'll go to Hedra AI. So this is Hedra AI. So this is Hedra AI and this is how it looks like. All you need to do is here you can see different options of Hedra, how you can use a Hedra. You see video, you see image, you see audio. When you click on the three lines at the top here, you see video, you see image, you see library. Now if you click on video, it gives you this interface. Okay, now once you finally find yourself on this interface, you can see audio script, you can see character script. Now you click on the character script and bring in your image that you already created from your favorite image tool. Okay, upload image. I'll click on upload image. I'll go to library and I'll take the image that we generated. So let's say I take this image. Now I'll click on done on that image. When you click on done on that image, then you click here on audio where it says audio script. You click on audio script, generate speech, record audio, upload audio. They're giving you all these options, but I'll click on upload audio because I already have my audio. Now I'll click on my audio, which is this one, this first one, when the night feels heavy. I click on it. Automatically my sound is up here. Okay, so I will reduce this sound because it's super long. I'll cut it short, okay, because I don't want it very long. So I'll just cut it a few seconds longer or shorter. Yeah, like that. So there you have that sound. So this is what I'll be doing. I'll listen to original audio, listen to it.
When the night feels heavy and the tears won't fade away.
Now I've listened to it and I make sure it is okay. Here it says choose voice. I don't want to choose any voice because I want to use that very voice, and I'll just click on add to video. Now once you click on add to video, you have it there. That's it there. It has been added to your video. All you need to do here is to make the lead character lip sync the audio naturally. Okay, naturally with emotions on her face. There you go. That's it. Now when I'm done doing that, I'll just click up here on generate. You click on this generate and then you wait for a while and this gets to generate. Okay, now it might take you like a few minutes, 1 minute, 2 minutes for it to generate, depending on how good your internet is. Okay, after you're done with this generation, bro, you're good to go. Like your song is ready. I don't know if you watched it now. Please do not forget to share, do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to comment the next AI tool you want me to teach you, or the next AI tool you want me to review for you, and I'll do the review. Just write the AI tool in the comment section and tell me what you want me to do for you with that AI tool, and it will be done. So yeah, we'll wait for this to generate, then I'll show you guys how it looks, the emotions, how the video is. And you all know this is AI, so sometimes you can actually create a video and you don't get the right format. For those of you who feel like everything with AI is perfect, no, it is not perfect. Okay, it is not perfect. AI, sometimes you prompt and reprompt before you get the perfection you see us showing on the screen. So if you prompt and you don't get it right, don't say, oh, these people lied to me. No, reprompt again. Okay, and for those of you who want to use 100% free AI tools all the time, be careful because you might be flagged on YouTube. So try as much as possible to pay for a few or your favorite AI tools, so it will be easier for you to use them and not get flagged, so your work will not go in vain. All right, so yeah, when this is done, I'll show you all the results. It's ready. Let me play it so you see how natural this sings. Like, I'm wowed. Okay,
when the night feels heavy and the tears won't fade away.
even people in the church, they're nodding their head, they're shaking their head. It looks so natural. So yeah,
You are my strength.
so this is good. I love it. I love how it came out. You know, all you need to do is, after creating your song, just swap up and click on this download button here, down here. You click on download and then you save it to your phone. Okay, my network download fail. You click and download. Just click on this and download this to your phone and you're good to go, guys. So